Imagine a chaotic workspace, overflowing with sticky notes, to-do lists, and half-finished projects. It's a scene we've all experienced at some point. Now, imagine a digital tool that can streamline all that chaos, making your work life a breeze. That's where Trello comes in. So, can you use Trello for work? Absolutely. But before we dive into the specifics, let's address a common misconception. Trello isn't just a simple to-do list app. It's a powerful collaboration and project management tool that can be tailored to fit almost any workflow. Understanding Trello basics. At its core, Trello is based on the Kanban method, a visual system that helps you organize tasks into different stages. Think of it like a digital whiteboard with sticky notes. You create cards which represent tasks, assign them to different lists representing stages of your workflow, and move them from one list to the next as they progress. But that's just the beginning. Trello offers a wide range of features that can help you customize your workspace and streamline your work. Here are a few key features to consider. Labels. Use labels to categorize tasks by priority, team, or any other relevant criteria. Due dates. Set deadlines for tasks and track their progress over time. Attachments. Attach files, images, or documents directly to cards for easy reference. Checklists. Break down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. Comments. Collaborate with your team by leaving comments on cards and discussing tasks. Use cases for Trello in the workplace. Now that we have a basic understanding of Trello's features, let's explore some real-world use cases. Trello can be a valuable tool for teams of all sizes and across various industries. Project management. Trello is a great way to manage projects, from small initiatives to large-scale endeavors. Create a board for each project and use lists to represent different phases of the project lifecycle. Task management. Break down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable subtasks and assign them to team members. Use Trello to track progress, set deadlines, and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Content creation. If you're part of a content creation team, Trello can help you organize your workflow, track deadlines, and ensure that all content is published on time. Customer support. Use Trello to manage customer support tickets, track responses, and ensure that customers receive timely assistance. HR management. Trello can be used to manage recruitment processes, onboarding new employees, and performance reviews. Tips for effective Trello usage. While Trello is a powerful tool, it's important to use it effectively to maximize its benefits. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Keep your boards organized. Use labels, due dates, and checklists to keep your boards organized and easy to navigate. Experiment with different workflows. Don't be afraid to try different board layouts and workflows to find what works best for your team. Utilize power-ups. Trello offers a variety of power-ups that can enhance your workflow. Experiment with different power-ups to find the ones that are most useful for your team. Integrate with other tools. Trello integrates with a wide range of other productivity tools, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack. This can help you streamline your workflow and avoid switching between multiple applications. So, can you use Trello for work? Absolutely. As we've seen, Trello is a versatile and powerful tool that can be adapted to fit almost any workflow. By understanding the basics of Trello and leveraging its features effectively, you can streamline your work, improve collaboration, and increase productivity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.